320d. We weren't expecting this. It's always a risk putting your car on a dyno. This has put a really weird twist on the video. Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome back to TTC for another dyno video. Now we do love our dyno videos. Bit of an interesting one today, you know, as much as we love our highly souped up cars and we love finding a lot of the power of those things, we've got Ashley's completely, well, almost standard BMW 320d. Now this is a 2007. I think from the factory they're around 163 brake horsepower. Now all he's done to this is a backbox delete and a pipercross air filter replacement. Now I always find these fascinating, and I know a lot of you guys do as well, is how much power do they lose over the years and what's it actually pulling now? And even more so, in the next video we're actually going to be mapping this, so you're going to see what gains you actually get in the real world just from a remap. So massive thanks to Ash at TTC. You may be thinking, for those guys who've been here before, if you're wondering why this place looks so bare, Ash is moving on up in the world. He is moving to a new unit in Skewen. We'll put all the details below, so if you do want to get in contact with him, contact him first, because he may be in this unit or the other one. But for now, look at this, sorry. We're going to have to try and convince the owner to get this on E34 pot boosted. Anyway, before I get too distracted, let's get this thing warmed up and get some pulls in. I've just had a thought. One thing we always find interesting, watch a step. One thing we always find interesting, I'm going to go around and see what people reckoned. Like I said, they reckon 163 brake. There's a few conflicting things online. About 163 brake from the factory back in 2007, is this one? Yep. Right. First of all, the owner, Ashley, what do you reckon it's going to be?
145, 150
yeah?
Maybe.
I'd say that's pretty realistic, because like we said, over the years, they do tend to lose power. Sure as you haven't got a mic on.
I'm hopeful.
Yeah, 145. So that's the owner, Ashley, 145. What do you reckon, dude?
Oh, I reckon it's going to hit 155.
Oh, okay.
And I'm going to be generous. I reckon after this map, 750.
Obviously, especially if you got a stage run. Now, I'm going to say around the 150 brake mark. Because, again, and obviously we know I'm the first person to say every dyno will be different, but I'm so curious for this one. Actually, let's get the professional's opinion. Ted, I won't throw a camera in your face. What do you reckon?
No idea.
163 brake, you no idea, no? Here we are, so Ped reckons 155 to 160. And this is a man that does this day in, day out. Usually does highly modified cars, but yeah, let's get stuck in. That sounds quite nice, actually. It sounds quite good, doesn't it? The nervous look. It is nerve-wracking because you want it to be healthy and you don't want it to go bang. No looking. Right, okay, we weren't expecting this. Now, it's always a risk putting your car on a dyno because you don't know whether it's going to be down on power, up on power. But so we've just done the first power run on what we thought was a standard BMW. First of all, let's just say it's very consistent, so it looks very healthy. So Ped's done 3 runs, 201.1, 201.8, and 201.4. But as you can see, that's well above the standard power.
Definitely.
So obviously, guys, that means there's probably already a map on this car. Wow, look at the torque. 313,
that is good torque.
Yeah, I haven't been in you when you booted it,
And in fairness, I was hoping for around about 200 brake anyway.
But the issue is, you've got used to this at 200 brake, thinking, oh, it's about 150 brake.
Yeah.
But although they're very strong figures, that's just not what we'd expect today. So Ped's just looking over the file now to make sure it is a good and safe map. And I think we'll go from there. This has put a really weird twist on the video. So that was the 320d dyno run, what was supposed to be a map, but Anyway, that's the thing with buying cars. You can never tell if something's been mapped. Now, this car was completely standard when Ashley bought it. All he's done is the panel filter and the exhaust. Apart from that, it was completely standard. But a map you can do on most standard cars. So, get your car on a dyno, guys. If you're not sure, get it on a dyno. This is definitely an eye-opener. Ashley, the owner, is happy and sad because it looks like a very healthy engine. Ped's looked over it. Although it's a very basic map, he reckons he could get more. And as soon as he said that, Ashley, the owner's eyes opened up, so we're going to get some work done to it. We're going to give it to TTC for the day. Ped's going to work his magic. Ashley's going to fix it all up, and we'll definitely be back for another dyno run. So the idea was to get some pulls on the standard power and then do some pulls once it was remapped to do a comparison. But as we just found out, there's already a map on the car, so we'll do some pulls anyway. With the map, 201 brake horsepower. So it's going to be a 20 mile an hour roll, sort of 1500 RPM. Now, it's not my car, so I'm not going to launch it, but I will get a roll on first gear for you guys. And go. For science sake, we'll just go from third. Ah, that was random. The Series 2 Elysium ran past, and what a noise. Anyway, that was Ashley's remapped BMW 320d, and I gotta say, they always look slow on video, but I gotta say, it pulls very well for 200 brake. You can really feel the torque kick in, and for a daily car, which is what he uses it for, I mean, what an awesome car. It does make some good noises as well. All he's done is a backbox delete, but it does sound really good. So Ash, thank you so much for letting us film it, and obviously giving me permission now, trusting me to bring it out here to do some pulls. It was going to be a comparative, but hey ho, there is going to be more stuff that Ash is doing to this. So don't forget to stay tuned. And yes, I think that'll about do it for this one. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Boom.